Namaste. In this video, we are going to do exponential functions, and here is the question: 8 to the power 3x is equal to 32. So first we have to make same base, common base. Okay. So 8 we can write 2 to the power 3, and this is 3x, and 32 we can write 2 to the power 5. Okay, it means all numbers we can convert into 2 to the power something. 8 we can write 2 to the power 3, 32 we can write 2 to the power 5, and here use exponent property, power to the power multiply, like a to the power m to the power n. So a to the power m multiply n. Okay. So this is 2 to the power 3 times 3x, which is 9x, is equal to 2 to the power 5. Here same base, common base. Okay. So exponents are equal. So 9x is equal to 5. And we can easily find out x value. Both side divided by 9, so we get 5 upon 9. And this is the final answer. X is equal to 5 upon 9. So very simple question, but if you have any doubt, any queries, please ask me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Have a great day.